Hello and welcome to this new video review. Today we will show you a platform that we enjoyed using and we recommend every one of you using it as well. It's called Tomba. Now, this is the platform that you will need for your marketing. You can contact anyone. This is the most powerful email finding tool which is able to list all the email addresses of people who are working in a particular company or industry. Using this method, you can start getting emails, sending your CV, or sending cold marketing emails to these people in order to get more sales or to get outreach for your company. Now, this platform has a lot of features and you can visit it using tomba.io. Let's talk about the platform mechanism. Now you can get the email addresses behind any website, and this is the main feature that this platform is offering. You can use filters, you can use email patterns, you can easily find someone by typing the name and get the proven or most likely email address of this person. You can use verification methods to make sure that this email actually works, and you can save it as a lead, or you can get more sources to get emails from. Now, this will help you in sales, recruiting, search, connect, or if you are looking to build a team. Now, it also offers browser extensions, which will make your life way much easier. Let's say that you are visiting a website and you want to get the email of the person who made this website to reach out to him. You can easily download the Chrome extension, and by simply clicking on the Chrome icon, you will be redirected to this page. Click Add to Chrome and you are done. You will be redirected to the Chrome extension, and as you can see, more than 1,000 at this moment, more than 1,000 person already downloaded this extension. Now, as you can see, you can test this platform for free. Let me bring the extension so that we can test it together. Here it is. This is the icon. Now you can test this platform for free. On their pricing, they have a free plan that you can use to get up to 50 search per month. Now let's sign up, and it's also for free. You can easily sign up using your email address, your Gmail address, or any other address. Now, this is the first page that you will see when you open up the platform. And here you can see that it's offering you to install Tomba for free. And they offer a lot of extensions like for Chrome, for Edge, for Firefox, for Opera, for Thunderbird, for Safari, for Google Sheet, for Microsoft Excel, and for Neverwell extension. Now I'm using Google Chrome, that's why I selected Google Chrome and installed the extension. And let's go back to the platform itself. Now after you sign in, after creating a free account, you will be redirected to this page in which you can see different options. Now here you can add the domain that you want to grab the emails for. So let's say that I want to grab the emails for my own website, eduengineteam.com. I will hit the search button, and in here you will start seeing results. As you can see, this is the email address info@eduengineteam.com, which is basically my email address. So you can click here to save it as a lead, and it will be saved as a lead. We'll talk about leads in a minute. Now in here you can click on the arrow and you will see the extracted date, last seen, still on page, the website that was used to extract this email, and you can even click here. And this feature is not available because I'm on the free version, but if you clicked on it, you'll be able to send an email from within the platform. Now, after you search, you can also export the results in CSV, which is basically allowing you to export a lot of emails to an Excel sheet so that you can import it on the email platform that you are using. Now, if we went to the leads section, you will see the list of emails that I was able to find. Now, this is the email, the first name, the last name, the country, the position, their Twitter account, LinkedIn account, company, domain. So you can select all of these emails and you can simply hit that download button here to export them, and it will export this, so let's call it Ashraf, in CSV format with all the required details. As you can see, hit the export button and you will have your email list in no time. Let me open up the CSV file to show you the result. Now it's loading. Okay, here is the result. Now I can easily get this sheet and upload it to my email marketing platform. And these are the emails that I collected so far. So you can click here to close this sheet. Let's look at other features that I found interesting. Now you can create lists here. So let's say that I want to create a list of engineers in my field. So this would be the first list, and you can start moving leads to this list. Now, another thing that you can do is that you can click on new leads and you can add a lead manually from this page and assign it to a list. One more thing is the connected apps feature. Here you can connect more than one email marketing platform like MailChimp, which is a very famous platform, HubSpot, Archibald, and PipiDrive. Now you can connect other platforms, or you can simply import and manage a list of email addresses that you already have in order to check if they are working or not. Now this is the leads section. We also have a finder section here in which you can write the person name, let's say Mark, and here you can add the company email, and they will try to bring you Mark email. Now I don't know if this is the right spelling of the name. So once you hit the search button, okay, the domain name is a webmail, facebook.com. So we are facing problem finding this person. Now you can also find authors, you can find enrichment, and all of these are basically ways to find a specific person. You need to enter a full name and the domain name of the email address, for example, tomba.io or facebook.com or something like that. Now this is to find a person email, a specific person. This is like a generic search feature that can help you by simply writing the domain name of the company. Let's write facebook.com and hit search. Now it will give you all the emails for this company, and as you can see, this is basically the domain facebook.com is used to create personal email addresses, and they are not providing any email addresses with @facebook.com domain. So let's try another one. Now, as you can see, for Twitter, it's working just fine @twitter.com, and these are the email addresses. Now there are more than 10,000 results, but it's only showing you 10 because we are on the free version. Now there is also a verifier feature. Now here you can write an email address and it will verify if this email address is working or not. So once you hit the search button, you can see that this email is valid. As you can see, the server status is valid. So when you are sending an email to this email address, you are making sure that this email address actually works and is for someone, a living person. So you are not sending an email out of nowhere to someone who you don't know and you are not sure if this email even works. Using this verifier feature, which is a feature that I find really interesting. Now here you can do bulk tasks like domain search, email finder, enrich your email list with data, which is basically getting more information about each email. You can find the author of a list of articles, so you can post the article link. You can use the email verifier feature, and there is a phone finder feature. Now the phone finder feature is basically one of the features that you can use. Okay, let's go back to the bulks. Now the phone finder feature is a premium feature, so you need to upgrade to a premium plan so that they will help you access this feature. But basically it will help you search phone are based on the email you give. So you will add the email address for that person that you are looking for, his phone number, and the platform will try to find the phone number for you. Now, how I'm planning to use this platform? I'm planning to use this platform to increase the number of emails in my email list by adding people interested in my topic. I will do this by getting a list of domains for my competitors and for websites that are in the same industry. I place the domains here using the domain search bulk feature, and I will get all of these email addresses and I will try to contact them with a cold email to engage with them and to offer them, let's say, my new videos, new articles, or even my CV if I'm looking for a job. You can also use the phone finder feature. It's also an amazing feature. Now, if you are planning to join this platform, you can start with the free version, but if you want to get discount on the paid version, you can check the link on the description. I really enjoy this platform and I'm sure that you will enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching this video. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.